If you cannot find a specific filter on your Snapchat, how can you solve that issue? So guys, first thing we just have to note that this issue is maybe because of our internet connection and our phone condition or storage. So firstly, just make sure that you have enough storage installed on your mobile phone. And the second step is to check your network connection, that you are connected to a better network. You can see that my Wi-Fi is on full off network right now and the internet quality is far more better than that. So I will just show you that how can you get rid of this problem and how can you solve that issue in your mobile phone, let it be your Android phone or let it be your Google or Apple iPhone. So in order to find any specific filter or location filter, the first step is to update your Snapchat application from your Google Play Store. Just go on the Google Play Store like this and update your Snapchat application from searching it into the Snapchat here. You can see I also do not have any updated version of Snapchat, so I will just click on the update here and update this application from here. After updating my Snapchat application, I will simply open it on my phone screen here. Let it be open. Go on the chat page here. This is my chat page on my Snapchat here, you can see. And I will click on the camera option here. Click on the filters. And you can see there are various filters. In order to select any filter of yours, you just have to swipe up like this. What you have to do, go on the camera option and just swipe upwards like this, and you can see there is a lot of filter. Go to the search option here and type for location, and you will find a location filter on your mobile phone right now. This is the video. Thank you so much for watching it. Please subscribe the channel if you liked, and we will meet again with next and the best video with all of you.